Hello everyone, welcome to another video of the playlist SketchUp Coding for Beginners. Today's objective will be to draw a hollow cylinder. So let's get started. As usual, this is the SketchUp model and this is Ruby Code Editor. First we will try to draw a hollow cylinder in the model and then we will go to the coding. So first we will draw a big circle. Then we will draw a small circle. Then we will select the inner face, delete it, and push-pull this face over to get a hollow cylinder. So the same concept we are going to use in coding this hollow cylinder. So let's press Ctrl A button to select this all, press delete button. Now we will go to Ruby Code Editor. So at first we use this command so that it deletes anything that is already present in the model. In the next step we create a group. Let's name this as hollow cylinder. Let's assign the input parameters for the cylinder. We need inner radius. Let's assume it to be 10 inches. The outer radius, let's say to be 12 inches, and the height of the cylinder, let's say, is as 20 inches. So at first we make a outer circle. Let's name it as circle outer. First we need to go inside the entities of that group and then add circle with center at origin, the rotating vector to be z-axis, and then radius to be outer radius, and let's say number of segments be 30. Let's press Ctrl R button. It will draw a circle. Then we will draw the face for this circle. So let's name it as face outer. To do so, we again go to the entities of that cylinder and then add face for this circle outer. Press Ctrl R. It will draw the face. Now we make inner circle. Let's name it as circle inner. Again go to the entities of that group and add circle with center at origin, the rotating vector as z-axis, and then radius as inner radius, and number of segments be 30 again. Press Ctrl R. Outer circle, inner circle is done. Now what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to also make the inner face for the inner circle, but you can see the face is already drawn. So whenever we draw the inner circle, the big face or the outer face is automatically separated into two faces. So if you go into the model, double click and then select on this inner part, a face is selected separately, and if you click on this part, another face is selected separately. So SketchUp actually automatically separates these faces, and the last face that is drawn is this inner face. So we actually don't need this inner face, so we need to delete this face. So this will be the last entity of the group. So to find the last entity of the group, we need to go inside the entities of that group, and the last entity index is -1. So put here the index of -1, then we need to use the command erase with the exclamation mark. Now when we press Ctrl R button, as you can see, it deletes the inner face. So we need to push this face, let's say with a height of 20 inches. We have already assigned it. Now let's press Ctrl R button. You can see, so it is pushed with a height of 20 inches in the downward direction. So if you want to push it in the upward direction, you can just change the sign for the height and press Ctrl R button. The cylinder will be drawn in the upward direction. As you can see, if we select on this hollow cylinder, the blue highlight is given, which indicates that it is a group, and the volume is also given, and its name is given hollow cylinder, as we have already coded it over here. So this is all about drawing the hollow cylinder. Keep learning, and thanks for watching.